works! Let's fucking go. Oh, let's go, dude. Oh, man. I told Reynolds that I was planning on recording this. And what did you call it, Reynolds?
Call it vlog.
Ah, yes. The famous vlog.
That's right.
Where'd you see that before?
All over YouTube.
Oh, that's what they call it on YouTube?
That's what they call it on YouTube. Vlog.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Swenson's in, where are we?
We're in a suburb of Cleveland.
Cleveland. You better count your motherfucking days. Just ordered a pulled pork sandwich to see what it's like up north. What the fuck? What the fuck?
That's a good shit.
Come all the way out to Pennsylvania to do what? Play more Overwatch!
Woo!
We don't want to.
Alright, so this is Reynolds. This is Reynolds' brother. They're both learning mouse and key, and for some reason we thought the best way to do this would be to have his brother control the keyboard and Reynolds is going to control the mouse.
Boom, boom, boom. Stop. Oh my god. Logan? I'm sorry. Alright. Now stop. Now move to the left. Right there. Perfect. Thank you.
Nice, nice.
Good aim!
Oh,
Move.
Jiggle. Don't move. No, you're fine.
Oh, God! Okay, you know what we gotta do? Since they're both learning on PC, we should have two people who play on PC.
That's what I was gonna say.
So y'all two should do it next.
You want mouse or keyboard?
Alright, come on, let's go. We gotta get back to the fight. Let's go. You just control my movement. I got the picture.
And then we'll have you do it next, and you can do inverted mouse.
God, no. I wouldn't even do that with my own setup. Much less one that I'm still trying to figure out. Nice back. Nice.
Just keep jiggling. Throw in some space bar a little bit once in a while.
Really throw Reynolds off. You're both Reynolds. I gotta.
Well, it's a true statement.
Give me on this fucking. Okay, that worked.
Okay, you try to stay close to your team.
But only a little. Even more so when you're.
This team
doing
sucks
what it is.
ass.
Yeah.
Okay. Shouldn't have played Torb.
We haven't even ulted once though.
Yeah, that would have been much better. Uh-oh.
Right, don't go in there.
No,
Alright, nice. Dude, so
wait,
close,
scoreboard.
so close.
One kill though. One kill. We did it.
Alright, since the Reynolds brothers did so well, Lucas and Elder are gonna take a try at it now.
Okay. Come on, let me see for a second. Okay, heads up. I got one guy on keyboard and one on mouse.
Oh my goodness.
Reynolds, what did that
Reload
say?
me.
He said, "Guys, don't kill me. I'm about to come."
I'm trying to kill him. I just realized there's a Doomfist in front of me.
Oh!
Reload.
You can tell a difference between someone who's
can't
played
see
with
shit.
Overwatch movement though. That one's on the cart.
We don't need to be.
Okay.
Run back. Reload. Reload.
There she is! Nice rockets. Holy crap. Did I give it to you?
No, give it to Torb.
You got an assist.
I will say it's a little disjointed. Somebody else moving.
Yeah.
Oh no! The Curie snipe.
Oh, they got.
Whoever's
It
moving-
did give you
Big
two.
red,
It did
big
give you
red.
two.
Moving and whenever he's a shooter should be in the shoot.
Reload.
The shooter was Reynolds.
Stay on point.
Logan
behind.
Don't move on top of that thing. Thank you.
If Logan was
Behind.
Rain, it would have been a lot better.
I missed. Oh god. I've heard of those.
What's that?
We had a guy in high school named Kyle Moore. He went by Room Job for a while.
Like as a nickname?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Not on purpose.
Oh,
Baseball team shenanigans.
much worse.
We've been hacked. I literally
You just, like,
put a
shot her
missile
in the
her
head. Kill her!
We got her.
Get one more! I don't know. Oh, no, she did. Why would they go Reaper? I guess to deal with Ryan, but...
Oh, we almost had ult again, too.
Nice, dude. Let's go.
Let's see scoreboard. Yeah, not bad, not bad.
A little. Let's see. Let's compare. Yeah, a little better.
I think it's about the
Hey,
same.
GG Lucas.
It's about the same. Yeah.
Yeah.
Endorsed!
Same. I didn't think it was that bad.
We just got breakfast, and Reynolds ordered a French cake. We didn't know what it was.
Oh,
So-
pancake. Did they tell you pancake? Dipped
Yeah,
in French. Pancake.
it's like a
French
French-
toast batter.
It's like a French toasted pancake.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah,
That's awesome.
There you go.
Sounds.
Have I never done? Damn it! Now I need one. Should I ask for one? Hey. How you doing?
It's a dangerous tool, son. Why?
What the fuck?
Try again. Try again. Yeah, try again.
Oh.
All right, that's gonna be a new animated emote on the Twitch channel right there.
Or like the sub notification.
Yeah, so notifications is gonna be that with the noise and everything.
I'll record
If you do it hard enough, you just commit. There's enough air in the can that it'll bend around your finger. And if that doesn't work, then it'll be a hilarious TikTok. So you just gotta commit. You can't question it. You gotta go 1, 2, 3. Told you. About to shoot people.
I can't use this shit.
He's hit.
You're hitting the wall.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn and shoot! Oh, dude. Who's hit?
Almost. How much money have you lost?
I don't know, man. Maybe $50.
50. Not bad. We used our $15 voucher for roulette. We all lost perfectly, and then I pulled 100 out. And that's all gone. What about you, Lucas? How you doing? Broke. How you doing? Not broke yet. How much is that?
$25.
All right, we're on our way back to Cleveland. It's finally over. Week went by quick. From my buddy Will, shout out Will, we're gonna do a poopsicle and a popsicle for everyone for the week. Reynolds, what was your popsicle?
My popsicle?
Yeah.
Probably, man, I don't know. Probably, getting a 5-stack finally on Overwatch. That was great. And then,
What's the poopsicle?
Poopsicle.
The worst part of the week since I got here on
Probably-
Wednesday.
Probably the restaurant last night at the casino.
Yeah.
That food was just awful.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Yeah, and that was my poopsicle.
All right. What about Abe?
My popsicle was Airsoft that we did.
Oh yeah, that was fun.
My poopsicle is not playing Overwatch that much with you guys.
Abe has never played Overwatch until like a couple days ago, and now he's like stuck. He loves it. It's awesome. Well, Logan, fair enough. All right, popsicle is probably going to the casino. The poopsicle was also probably going to the casino. All right, that was it. That's it. We're out of here.